League of Legends play button not working, how to fix it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's just directly get into the topic. So uh, if the League of Legends play button not working on PC, you can try restart the VGC service. After ensuring the process are closed, completely in Task Manager, launch the League client and sign in. Open the Task Manager and locate Vanguard users mode service in the advanced view and expand to the section to find VGC. You can right click on it and select Open Services and locate VGC in the list and select it. In the right panel, option for stop the service, the League client should display an error message and might close automatically. If it doesn't, you may need to close it using the Task Manager. Restart the VGC service, relaunch the League of Legends, and that's it. That's how you can fix the League of Legends play button not working problem on PC. And let me know in the comment section if this method works with you or not. If not, then I will show you other methods to uh, fix this problem. So see you on the next video.